go, go, go. Keep him going. In front of you.
I have to find a place to get out of the way. I find the best place is behind the first hurdle.
Like that. Straight on the middle. Okay. Right leg back. Keep going straight. Take your head up. Don't look down. Keep going. Keep the move. Okay. Keep the move. Keep going. Keep the rhythm. Let it go. Go a little bit. Okay. Turn, turn, turn. You need to sit, otherwise you don't turn. Do a circle. Go on the corner. Look to the jump. Turn with your outside rein. Use your inside leg to keep the rhythm. Okay, keep going, straight. And then turn left. That's the end. Just at the end. Alright, straight. Okay. Sit and walk. That's why it's important to sit after the jumps in before. To get the horse to be able to do the things
Yes.
like the turn here.
Yes.
Okay?
I've noticed
And like that, you need to go straight to do a normal turn using all the arena to don't close too much the turn.
Yes.
And one more reason is because the floor is like this. If you do quick close turns, they can. Phil, don't worry. Just do the same that you did the time before. With him going. Huh? No. Right way, but with the same canter, everything. A little bit more. Use the stick. Keep going. Go. Use the stick. One. No, let her be there. Keep going. Use the stick. Go to the jump. Use the stick. Okay, keep going. Trot. And cancel. Go a little bit. Okay, look to the jump. Take. Okay, trot. Take the trip on the point of your stick, canter. Go. Don't let him come inside. Again. Keep going. Keep. Okay, keep going. Go to the blow. Turn to the blow. Six. Okay, cross. Straight. There you go, Phil. Straight. Then turn to the left and cancel. Alright, open the turn. Put your eyes at the screen here. Get him straight. Use